What is email marketing? Here's a short and sweet overview that will give you a much better understanding. Put simply, email marketing helps you turn leads into loyal clients, drive sales, and create long-lasting relationships. Email marketing is a low-cost way of addressing key company goals, including customer acquisition, activation, retention, and revenue. Let's go into some more detail on these. Acquisition. This is the stage in which a potential client or prospect subscribes to any of your mailing lists. A simple example of this is if they enter their email address into a form on your website. Without acquisition, there would be no email marketing. Activation. In these emails, we're, as the name suggests, activating the customer and getting them interested in our products or services. Good examples of this are sales emails with discounts and special offers. These could also be onboarding and educational emails if you're a software company. Retention. Emails with a focus on customer retention will typically offer personalized discounts and bonuses for customer loyalty. You can also send out helpful and fun content with a human touch to remind clients of your existence and give them a reason to keep engaging with your brand. Revenue. Emails that drive your revenue are all the sales and special offers that I mentioned previously, but also upsells and emails that motivate clients to purchase additional products or upgrade their existing product or service. The more time you spend on fine-tuning your email marketing to make it more personal for each category of users, otherwise known as a segment, the more effective your campaigns will be, and as a result, the better your revenue. Bitrix24 comes with free email marketing software. Go to bitrix24.com to find out more.